morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV's amazing news for our. Yeah, vascular dementia, a form of cognitive decline caused by disease in the brain's small blood vessels, is common but has been studied less intensively than Alzheimer's disease, which is marked by abnormal plaques and protein tangles in neural tissue. A University of New Mexico researchers aims to change that. So, in a recent paper highlighted by the editors of the American Journal of Pathology, Alain Berero, MD PhD, the Harvey family, endowed and distinguished professor in the UNM School of Medicine's Department of Pathology, introduces a framework to define and classify different types of vascular dementia. She hopes the approach will help researchers better understand the disease variants and speed the development of effective treatment. Conditions like hypertension, atherosclerosis, and diabetes have been linked to vascular dementia, but other contributing causes, including the recent discovery of significant quantities of nano and microplastics in human brains, remain poorly understood via our side. We have been flying blind, she said. The various vascular pathologies have not been comprehensively defined, so we have not know what we are treating. And we did not know that nano and microplastics were in the picture because we could not see them. Better identified 10 different disease processes that contribute to vascular based brain injury, typically by causing oxygen or nutrient deficiency, leakage of blood serum, and inflammation or decreased waste elimination. This causes tiny strokes that harm neurons. She lists new and existing experimental techniques, including special stains and novel microscopy to detect them. For the paper, Bureau used a specialized microscope to meticulously study tissue from a repository of brains donated by the families of New Mexicans who had died with dementia, employing stains that highlighted the damaged blood vessels. Surprisingly, many patients diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease also had disease in the small blood vessels of the brain. We suspect that in New Mexico, maybe a half of our Alzheimer's people also have vascular disease, she said. Bearer contains a methodical approach to identify different forms of vascular dementia will help neurologists and neuropathologists more accurately score the severity of disease in both living and decreased patients and advance the search for potential treatments and even cures too. To make that happen, the National Institute of Health has raised the possibility of forming a consensus group of leading neuropathologists to out a new classification and scoring system, she said. When the exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.